Let's make a presentation generator with GitHub Copilot. Warning, this is not what real workflow probably looks like. It involved quite a bit of trial and error. Okay, the first thing we want to do is set up our environment. I already did this, and we have a Nix environment with the OpenAI libraries in it for Python, and what we're going to do is tell it to use the OpenAI libraries to create a Python program, and that grabs content that is based on the prompt that we created here. Here is the content prompt. It's telling it to create a presentation about VS Code. It's got some specific things. It gives it a lot of details about what sort of things I want the program to be able to do. And then here we go. Here we have the Python program that it generated. Now you'll notice that I'm using Claude to do this instead of OpenAI, and that is because it is a lot better. I had a lot of problems with the OpenAI. We'll just call that content.py, and then what we're going to do here is we have this button here that just says, okay, apply it to the code, and here we go. We can accept the changes. Let's save it, and let's just hope for the best here. Let's just see if it is able to do this on the first shot. So now we have to wait a little while because the OpenAI API is seemingly quite slow right now. I don't know exactly why that is. But basically, we've got a couple nicks and knacks here, like we're telling it to format its response in Markdown. We have the API keys that it's reading from the environment file, and a couple other little things that I told it to do here. And now we have our result. So here's the content. It looks good. So we have content, we got narrative, and basically, so here we go. That looks pretty good. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the next thing. And the next thing is okay, we go back to our prompting guide, and we're going to say, all right, let's create a single page static JavaScript file that is going to grab this this markdown, and then it is going to turn this index.html into a JavaScript app that's going to deal with it. Okay, so what is this index.html? Well, this is basic right now. It doesn't really have anything in it. And here is a live preview. So we can refresh that and see that we have absolutely nothing in it. All right, so here we go. Looks like what we're getting is the whole shebang in one shot. And my gosh, it seems to be really doing a lot here. And I don't really have time on this demo to show you what it is. We have to put this in index.html and then say, all right, let's apply it and see what happens. All right, so now let's accept those changes and save it, and here we go. So here's your presentation. Looks good.